stop. Last night I generated a whole bunch of floppy scenes, and I kept trying to get him cutting wood, splitting wood with an axe. They came out really weird. This one's a monkey. His axes always have these weird wooden heads. This one kind of looks like a guy in a suit, which happens a lot. I found one that I liked overall, but, well, not this one. There was a different one kind of like that. Where was it? Oh, this guy. But it's not on an outdoor scene background, so I might try to save that and change out the background if possible. I'm not sure if that's going to work well. But what I ended up keeping was a different one with a wheelbarrow. Problem is, the wheelbarrow itself is insane looking. Overall, I really like this one though. So I'm going to try to save it. And I'm going to try to just like select this whole thing pretty much and just say wheelbarrow and see what happens, because the bottom of that just looks ridiculous. It almost looks like the wheels are made out of buttons, which is interestingly appropriate for a little stuffed guy. I mean, wow, that's pretty good already. That one kind of works. That's a little freaky. Yeah, that one's not bad. That one's pretty good. I'm going to save that, and I'm just going to do it again because that worked so well. What if we get a perfect one that easy? If we don't get one better, I'll just run with that for now. No. No, no. Okay, I like that other one better. That's usable enough. So now we've got this wood kind of like spilling out of it. And that doesn't quite make sense to me. So I'm just going to select that wood and hope that it just fills in a more reasonable pile, background. And then there's a couple little cleanup things we can do. Let's see, that's already better. And then you got to do a little manual editing. You just got to do it. So I'm just going to rough this in with the paint tool. Like, what would I want that to look like? Maybe like this. And I can go back and fine tune this later. I'm just kind of sketching. But something like that. So we've already gone from this craziness to, whoops, I gotta delete that one, to that, which is better. Now this paw's a little weird. A little healing tool should fix that up. And we got a little spot here. This mouth is a little weird. I like the left side of it. As long as the right side matches the left side of it a little better. Like that. It's kind of schmutzy right here. That's better. Now I notice some weird stuff down on the ground here, like glitchy AI artifacts. So the healing tool gets rid of those. Really nice. If we look too closely at this wheelbarrow, I'm sure we'll find some craziness about it. But I'm pretty impressed overall. And yeah, look at that. We've got Tiny Head with a loading up his firewood, getting ready for the winter. So this is what the AI gave us. And this is with some quick edits. You know what? I don't like how there's like this continuous line right here between the background and the edge of the wheelbarrow. So I can just obscure that. Oops, I made it back again. And I'll do a little touch-up work on those, but overall, not bad. It's a keeper.